Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Tooljet for building dashboards and apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start using Tooljet for building dashboards and apps, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Tooljet website URL and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form where you need to enter your email address. Make sure to enter a valid email address that you have access to. Next, create a secure password for your account. It is advisable to use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. After entering your password, confirm it by typing it again in the designated field. Look for any terms and conditions checkbox, which you will need to accept to proceed. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Once you have filled out all the fields, click the Register or Create Account button. Tooljet will then send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox and find the verification email from Tooljet. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. You will be redirected back to the Tooljet website after verification. Now, log in using your registered email and password. Once logged in, you may be prompted to complete your profile or set additional preferences. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish setting up your account. After completing your profile, you are ready to start building dashboards and apps with Tooljet. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the various features available. You can now begin creating your first project or explore templates to get started. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.